Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best hammock with stand included and umbrella, the Tangkula Hammock with stand and adjustable canopy. If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and style for your backyard, lawn, or poolside relaxation, this could be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, the Tangkula Hammock impresses with its generous size. Measuring 95.5 inches long, 45.5 inches wide, and standing 53 inches tall, it offers ample space for an adult to lie down comfortably and unwind. The hammock supports up to 350 pounds, making it suitable for most users looking to kick back and enjoy some leisure time. One of the standout features is the detachable sunshade canopy. Made from high-quality polyester fabric, this canopy is not only waterproof but also provides effective protection against harsh sunlight. This means you can enjoy your hammock even on the sunniest days without worrying about UV exposure. Plus, when you want to bring the hammock indoors or prefer an unobstructed view of the sky, the canopy can be easily removed. Comfort is another priority with the Tangkula Hammock. It comes equipped with a fully padded cushion filled with thick cotton and wrapped in breathable fabric, ensuring a soft and pleasant lying experience. A removable pillow is also included to give your neck and head extra support. The cushion attaches securely to the frame with stainless steel hooks and chains, but it can be detached quickly for cleaning or if you prefer to use the hammock without it. Durability and stability are key when it comes to outdoor furniture, and Tangkula delivers here as well. The hammock's stand is constructed from high-strength, powder-coated metal that resists rust and deformation. This means your hammock will withstand the elements and maintain its sturdy structure over time. The stand's design includes curved supporting legs and large foot pads, which prevent slipping and sinking into soft ground, giving you peace of mind whether you place it on grass, sand, or a patio. The Tangkula Hammock also includes thoughtful design touches like a large side pocket with classified storage. This feature makes it easy to keep essentials like your phone, book, or sunglasses within arm's reach without cluttering your relaxing space. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions included, so you can set up your hammock quickly and start enjoying it right away. Whether you want a cozy spot to read, nap, or simply lounge, this hammock fits perfectly in a variety of settings, from your backyard and poolside to terraces and even indoors. In summary, the Tangkula Hammock with stand and adjustable canopy offers a combination of comfort, convenience, and durability that stands out in the market. Its rust-proof metal stand, comfortable cushioning, sunshade canopy, and practical storage make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish hammock setup. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more honest product insights.